Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about cleaning kits. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Give your ride a premium wash with the Arsenal Car Wash Kit. Keep your wash water clean. Deep clean your wheels and tires. Turn your hose into a foam blaster. Give your paint a scratch-free wash. Get crystal clear glass. Make paintwork shine and glow. Restore and protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic. The Arsenal Car Wash Kit from Chemical Guys.
When it comes to choosing the right protectant for your interior vinyl and plastic surfaces, it comes down to a few simple questions. First, what's the condition of that surface, as this will determine if any pre-cleaning may be necessary. Next, ask yourself, do you enjoy more of a natural shine appearance, or are you more of a fan of high shine? We make a variety of products that will address all of these conditions so you can get exactly the appearance and protection you are looking for.
Today I'm going to be unboxing ThinkWorks Interior and Exterior Car Cleaning Kit. This kit contains 17 individual pieces. For the interior, you are able to use the dashboard duster to clear away any dust. There is also a vent brush to clean the inside of your AC vents. And lastly, to get any other little crumbs or lint that you missed, is the ThinkWorks Pink Car Cleaning Gel. When it comes to the exterior, this kit includes a car wash mitt that can be used for cleaning all aspects of the car, from the hood and headlights to the rims and hubcaps. To get an even deeper clean, you are able to use the tire brush and hub brush to really get those hard to reach places. Once everything has been washed off, it's time to dry. This kit comes with 2 coral fleece towels for spot drying, to the rims and hubcaps. Really get those hard to reach places. Once everything has been washed off, it's time to dry. It also includes an extra large microfiber towel to dry larger areas on the car. You are also given a squeegee to make sure your windows sparkle. The cleaning kit has everything you could need when it comes to maintaining a cleanly car, both in.
All right, Theo, we're here today to test out the new product, the Foam King.
Smoky.
No, do not shoot Dad. We're gonna test it out on Brother's Subaru, which I'm sure is fine. He won't mind in any way. Now, hang on a second. There's some settings here. See this dial? Okay, you can change it from 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way to 5. Which one do you think we should do?
5.
Of course, yes. All right. Number 5. All right. Hang on a second. There's some settings here. See this dial? Okay. You can change it from 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way to 5. Which one do you think we should do?
5.
Of course, yes. All right. Number 5. All right. What do you think?
5. I do not want to spray myself with it.